Niaje watu, karibu sana one more time to Tangent Media Africa. For those who are new, kuna hiyo tab pale chini imeandikwa subscribe. Maze, make sure umefanya ile maneno, fanya hiyo kitu so that we're able to keep on creating content of this same sort. Sasa bro, which drones have you been fortunate enough to use?
Nimetumia drones iko na depending on the company. Nimetumia as I can show you this. This
sure.
is DJI. So DJI, it's a Chinese company doing produce drones, fast drones. Kuna drones za kupiga picha, na kuna drones za surveillance, na kuna drones za kuspray, kuna drones za kubeba luggage from one point to another.
Okay.
So nimejipata nikitumia drones za kuspray.
Okay. Eish, those things seem huge bana.
They're huge.
Yeah.
My first drone, nilikuwa nakwambia, the first hustle ya drones, ilikuwa kuspray mashamba.
Mse ulianza kama umeangukia assignment big aje bana. Shamba bana.
Yeah. So the history of drones kwa Kenya, wacha turudi nyuma, the history of drones kwa Kenya kidogo, and no one knew about them.
Okay.
And the government was a little bit strict to drones, because unajua maneno za security.
Yeah.
So earlier before 2020, gava ilikuwa imekataza drones.
Okay.
But unakumbuka locust zilikuja.
Acha tu.
So locust zilikuja na complication. We need to kill them using chemicals. Ndege zinatumika. It was so expensive.
Yeah, man.
Then also always spray na knapsacks.
Okay.
Locust ziko juu ya miti.
Yeah.
Hawezi panda miti na knapsack wende uspray.
Utatumia knapsack ngapi hapo?
Alafu unaweza anguka.
True. Yeah.
So with the business mind, some investors wakakuja na we can use drones. Drones yenye inaweza, you can just uplift the drone na iende spray irudi with less pesa kidogo umetumia, na umetarget hiyo nini, our locust.
Okay.
So hiyo ni drones ya kwanza nimetumia za kuspray.
Okay.
Tunatumia kuspray mashamba. It is easy, fast. Unaweza pata drone ina spray shamba at 1 acre, ina spray na 10 minutes.
Ish.
So you can imagine.
So nyo watu mko na mashamba hapo nje. This is the guy to go to.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Make sure kama if Kigen is not doing your drone work hapo kwa kuspray, wewe jua umechezwa.
That is true.
Yes bro.
So the next drones yenye nimetumia ni mapping drones.
Okay.
Being a surveyor, nimeona using drones is fast.
Okay.
Na unaweza capture enough data. In survey we believe the more data you have, the more accuracy you have.
Okay.
So you can imagine a drone picking a photo with coordinates zenye unaweza tumia kufanya inaitwa topographical mapping.
Okay.
So you have,
can be exact.
Yeah, exact.
Okay.
Iko na accuracy ya 3 cm.
That's nice.
Yes.
Wow.
So this Phantom 4, this iko na hii module inaitwa GPS module.
Okay.
So you can connect with satellites above in the space.
Okay.
So any photo that you take with it, iko na coordinates. So ukiembed na Google Earth, unaweza pata hiyo accuracy ya ground.
Okay.
So the next type of drones imetumia ni drones za surveillance.
Okay.
Iko na camera, but now ina survey what tuseme kwa field.
Okay.
Unajaribu kuona what is iko nini hapo. Unajaribu kustudy unajaribu kustudy what is in this area, or what is in this building, what is it. Then nimetumia of course hizi za matter of photography. Iko na the same camera, but you just have iko na camera kama kawaida, but now imewekwa kwa drone. So
So bro,
Yeah.
umetumentionia 4 types of drones ama drone work. Ya kwanza umesema
ya kuspray
yes. Mashamba.
Yeah.
Ya pili surveillance.
Yeah, alafu ya photography.
Photography.
Yes.
Nimecheki ile ya kwanza umeinua ni bigi kiasi. What's up with technology nowadays? It seems like with age ama with time drones zinakuwa smaller. Are they more ama able to eleze because naona umeshika it's a bit bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a Phantom 4 RTK.
Okay.
Na hiyo RTK ni real kinematics. So the moment you take a photo of it, you take a real time.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a real time.
Okay.
So as you've said, technology na change.
Sure.
Things are changing. DJI being a innovative company, they want to solve problems all the time with the technology vile ina evolve. So this drone is near mapping.
Okay.
It's a mapping drone.
Okay.
So ina change according to demands ya customers.
Okay.
So they wana manufacturer wanatoa kwa market, then we use tuna realize kuna kitu kidogo wakiongeza hii kidogo wanaanza
improve.
Yeah, wanaanza kuita pro.
Okay.
Kuna ingine inaitwa you can realize kuna Phantom 4 Pro.
Yeah.
Kuna Phantom 4 RTK.
Okay.
Kuna Phantom 4 Air 2.
Okay. Yeah.
So ni technology tu ina change na meet customer requirements.
Okay.
Yes.
Wale wenye meingia kwa hii interview when you've just logged in, thanks for joining in. We are here with Bwana Brian Kigen, ni drone pilot mwenyewe. If you need assistance in spraying your farm, large tracts of farm, Brian has got you. But usishtuke, hatuja kuwa sponsored na DJI. Naona nataja ma DJI. Nafikiri labda we are sponsored, but hapana. So Brian,
yes.
Umefanya assignments mob. Just like I said earlier, you've also been assisting us doing some assignments here and there. Ni kazi gani umeyai chapa? Ukasema mazee, this is what I was born to do. Yani hiyo job ilikubamba sana, your assignment. Yes bro.
Vile nilikwambia, we are doing spraying. Okay. So tukispray, before you spray, you have to map the whole farm.
Okay.
So there was this farm last year, we were given 9,000 acres.
Where?
To map and spray within 14 days.
9,000 acres. How big is that in 9,000 acres?
It's like a whole county.
Like a whole sub-county ama county?
Sub-county.
Where?
Yes.
That's huge.
So this is a DC farm in Kitale.
Oh, okay.
So kulikuwa na disease imekuja inaitwa GLS. It's a disease inatoa spots kwa mahindi.
Okay.
So we need to map it and spray immediately kama it disease I just sprayed.
Okay.
So you can imagine I was mapping day and night. Na map daytime na spray usiku. Na map daytime na spray usiku.
Which begs the question. Sasa usiku unaona nini bro? Ama drone inaona nini?
Because drones ni intelligent. Iko na sensors. Yes. Hata ukiona iko na sensors huko.
Sure.
So after mapping daytime, ni upload data kwa zile ma drones za kuspray.
Okay.
So inajua tu drone inajua
demarcation. Okay.
Napita hapa, naacha hapa, napita hapa, naacha.
Okay.
Yeah. So after 14 days, niko nimechapa 9,000 acres.
Yeah. I'm sure hapo pesa uliitisha sio kidogo. Si after interview ucheze kaa wewe.
Yeah, tutaenda after interview tutaongea. Yeah.
Sasa bro, let's talk about the Kenyan airspace. Unajua wasa wanaonanga just because I have the money, I can buy a drone na naweza irusha tu juu. What has been your experience? Kutoka 2020, how has the legal environment changed?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ukienda kwa drone school ama any other aviation school, utaambiwa space is the most expensive asset a country or anyone can play with it. It's very expensive. So the space
is land.
Si land space. That's why unaweza wachiwa land.
Oh, okay.
Gava haiwezi kukupea space.
Oh yeah, true, very true.
Yeah, it's very expensive that not even the country can own it okay, you can be given the mandates
to fly ama to operate.
As a country you can be given the mandate to manage it.
Okay.
You cannot ati sasa muhon hakuna kitu ingine mnatumia. Watu wa UN wanaelewa hizo maneno zaidi. So space, the Kenyan space is it's iko na rules. Iko na rules zake. You cannot fly a drone anyhow. You have to seek permission. We have authority, Kenya Civil Aviation Authority. And then tuko na limitations.
Okay.
Tuko na limitation. Always fly drone more than 120 meters above the ground.
120 meters.
Yes. That is 400 feet above the ground.
Okay.
Kuna places always fly drone.
Okay.
Kuna restricted areas. Of course places kama sulisikia ule jamaa alifly drone kwa route.
Huyo jamaa alikuwa anajaribu nini bana?
Drone ilijipata imefika huko.
Of all persons bana, DP utabebwa juu.
Utabebwa. So hizo ni restricted area. We have this places kama State House. We have military bases. You cannot fly. Ukijaribu unajitafutia mashida.
Sure.
Then we have zones. Yes, you can fly.
Okay.
But you have to seek permission.
True.
Kama towns.
Okay.
Kama highways. Then also kuna tu zile kuna government installments.
Okay.
Installations kama power plants. Vitu kama hizo.
Okay.
So you need to seek permission. So any other time you fly the drone.
Okay.
You seek permission from Kenyan Civil Aviation.
Okay.
And also you have to be licensed to fly a drone.
You have
to lazima ijue wewe ni nani.
True.
Lazima ufanyiwe exam. Lazima ufanyiwe drone yako iregister.
Kusha wewe.
Yeah.
So two things here.
Yes.
You have to get the permission.
You have to get the permission.
And you have to be licensed.
Yes.
Any other thing?
Any other thing? You have to have something called ROC.
ROC.
Yes. Remote Operation Certificate.
Yes.
So that ROC, for you to fly, like for you to be given authorization to fly kwa Kenyan space, lazima ukue na hiyo ROC.
Okay.
That hiyo ni certificate unapata unapewa na gava. It lasts for 2 years.
2 years.
Even ile certificate yako ya yellow license.
Okay.
Ni 2 years.
Okay.
Yes.
So 2 years, 2 years.
Lazima pia ufanyiwe examination by the KCA. Waone macho yako iko sawa.
Yes.
Ama unatumia kitu kidogo.
Kwa hivyo hii kitu itaki watu wanatumia maziwa imechacha.
Kweli.
For lack of a better word.
It's accidents za aviation.
Okay.
Vital.
Yeah, true.
Very, very, very vital. Because you can imagine drone imeenda ikaingia kwa ndege.
Mazee hiyo ni ngori.
Ama tu drone imeenda then ikakata mtu. Plate peke yake ikakata. Very dangerous.
Yeah.
Alafu iko na maneno ya privacy.
Okay, yeah.
Like, kuna watu tu wataki hii drone inakuja kwangu unafanya nini?
Yeah.
So inashikana maneno za privacy alafu security.
Okay.
Yeah.